BJP's Northeast General Secretary Ajay Jamwal arrives at Imphal. Chief Minister Biren returns home. Governor administers oath to 3 functionaries of Lok Ayukta, Manipur. And Conference-Com International Buyer-Seller Meet 2019 kickstarts in Imphal. Hello and good evening. You're watching Times of Manipur. This is SILKY Chanambam with the news in detail. BJP's Northeast General Secretary Ajay Jamwal today arrived at Imphal. Official sources inform that Ajay's visit comes in the backdrop of the leadership crisis within the BJP-led coalition government in Manipur. He is likely to take stock of the situation and make efforts to end the deadlock. Upon his arrival at Imphal Tulihel International Airport, TomTV journalists tried to talk him when Ajay swiftly left the airport without saying anything. Meanwhile, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today returned to Imphal from New Delhi after days of camping in the national capital. Under pressure, Biren had dashed off to New Delhi following his government being faced overdraft and a reported rebellion within the coalition government attempting to replace him. He had met top brass of BJP, union ministers and Prime Minister Narendra Modi while in the national capital. Biren arrived at Imphal at 11:55 a.m. He quickly left the Imphal Tulihel International Airport, ignoring journalists who were waiting for him there. It may be noted that BJP National General Secretary in charge of Northeast, Ram Madhav, was supposed to visit Manipur, but it was abruptly cancelled, official sources said without disclosing the reason. Manipur Governor Dr. Nazma Heftullah today administered the oath of office to newly appointed chairman, designated member and judicial member of Lok Ayukta, Manipur during a function at the Raj Bhavan, Imphal. Retired Justice T. Nandakumar took oath as new chairman of Lok Ayukta, Manipur, while retired Justice Basudev Agarwal and retired IAS Amay Singh Luikam as judicial member and designated member respectively.
I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India.
Congratulations. As by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability. All the best. I seek your blessings. Thank you for your support.
Manipur Lok Ayukta designate.
Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
All the best.
Addressing the function, Governor Dr. Nazma Heftullah stated that being a democratic country, the roles of Lok Ayukta are immense. She also mentioned the key responsibilities of Lok Ayukta in delivering justice to the public besides working for the welfare of people.
They expect that they will perform their duties for the benefit of the people and the state, because Lok Ayukta is a very important position and their interest should be in giving justice to the people.
The newly appointed chairman, T. Nandakumar, said that the main role of Lok Ayukta is to give judgments over complaints that are lodged against the high-ranking officials. He also added, Lok Ayukta, being a judicial authority, will play a huge role in bringing transparency in the governance of the state.
Very transparent government number help. We are assisting the government for having a very transparent administration. That is what we are doing.
Yes.
And we are also just functioning like a judicial authority, quasi-judicial authority. All the proceeding also will be like the quasi-judicial. So therefore we have to be very little careful now. And interacting with the press also, it is very difficult for us. We cannot expect anything. Lastly, I will say, people that should have you, there is a authority like the Manipur Lok to entertain this type of complaint and others. And we have the we want the existence. And I am not the enemy of the government, I am not the enemy of the public. I am only a friend to all. And Manipur Lok say it is not for me, it is for him, it is not for this minister, it is for the people. It is for the people. We are working for the people.
A 2-day-long conference cum International Buyer-Seller Meet 2019 has kicked off today at the City Convention Centre, Imphal. The meet is jointly organized by Northeastern Regional Agricultural Marketing Corporation, NERAMAC, Agricultural Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, APEDA, and Department of Commerce along with Ministry of Commerce and Government of India. More than 48 exporters and 22 buyers from all across the globe are taking part in the meet. Speaking as the chief guest at the inaugural function, Dr. Anup Wadhawan, Secretary of Department of Commerce, Government of India, said that exports are the strategic and critical points of economic growth of a country. It is the opportunity for getting all goods for development of the country's economy. He said such conference will continue to benefit the sellers and buyers in the region and help boost the economy.
So I would encourage APEDA to facilitate that network to continue beyond this event, maybe through a portal or through some other means. And let me also say that I look forward to getting the gist of the deliberations over these 2 days. If there are any issues that my exporter friends, other stakeholders wish to raise for the state governments to address or Government of India to address, I think this is a good opportunity to raise those issues, and I look forward to receiving that input and working with my colleagues to addressing those issues.
Now let's have a short break.
Hello.
Hello. Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Oh, phau pambi thabiyo.
Okay. Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da adum changnai na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school.
Last pakhong. Kari school no.
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme. Yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
My name is Kumkumgang May. I'm a student of COMET. COMET's teaching techniques and tips for exam were very helpful. The teachers are very supportive, which inspired me to do well in my exam. I want to thank COMET for guiding me and supporting me throughout my preparation for the exam. In my opinion, COMET is the best coaching center.
Pulse Fitness Arena, Fitness Unlimited, facilities available, combat cardio, steam room, aerobic, freestyle, dance workout, TRX function, TRX rip trainer, TRX suspension trainer, nutrition, shower, towel service, locker, gym floor, boot camp, Muay Thai, yoga, cardio, etc. It is also an authorized distributor of imported supplements including Muscle Farm, Ultimate Nutrition, Gaspari, One Science, Granite and many more from Muscle House, India. Admission fee ₹1,000 only. General category ki oina tha amada lupa chanipan, tha ahumda lupa lising aniga chama, tha taruk ki oina lupa lising mari, sahi ki oina lupa lising taruk ka chaunga. Dynamic Movement Training DMT ki oina tha ahumda lupa lising mapan, tha tarukta lupa lising taraga mga, sahi ki oina lupa lising Kungataro. Offer 40% discount for the first 20 members only for Dynamic Movement Training DMT. Kudong Saba si Lobinabagidamak ngasimak langsin biro Pulse Fitness Arena, Gobindazuri Road, Palace Compound, Imphal East. I quick contact number 9711730877. Amasong 038524411143.
Welcome back. Miyam Ginumit and Hill Leaders Day will be held tomorrow at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, where Chief Minister N. Biren will meet people. It may be recalled that the two events, which are held every month, had remained postponed due to Lok Sabha election model code of conduct. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Siam has rejected the allegation by Kurai MLA El Susindro that rice under NAFSA scheme for 6 months was released but it did not reach the beneficiaries. Addressing the media persons at his old secretariat conference hall, Minister Karam Siam said the allegation is baseless and unfortunate. He further said the present government has sanctioned the required quantity of rice for all the 60 assembly constituencies of the state, and the same has been distributed to the beneficiaries by the concerned agents authorized by the respective MLAs. Action will be taken against those agents who misuse the schemes after due investigation, the minister assured.
Adubu sing tangak pasi men tangak pagi marui bamramdi local sing si laita bani yam sing na local gi sing si phang da mayam na khangbiri dungai phangbu phangra di po se tang Laraba Praja sing na phang jaga da ba napsa gi sing ching the elected member concerned na sing jak phangdre haidana media da phongdor puna maram oidana maruina aine gi commissioner director da potsi phajna yengsilaga the responsible person sing do kana no madu da involved to kanano adu praja gi sing jak to the mangan bayada banina kayumba any case la magasu action law na bagi the often see hoi miang mi mapam da thamjari agent sing na pirok pa kana kana ma matana disturbance speed na sanung sa kayum ta ko dana sai gi thabuk tu tawjari ba mioi sing da oneram se phangan na ba hona bada the any site gi mateng bangbio na maduma ai manipur sarkar gi minister moina the civil supply gi maduma ga appeal tawjari.
Commenting on the increase in price of rice, he assured that he will discuss the matter with the Chief Minister so that local rice be made available in the market at a reasonable price while reducing the cost of other rice transported from other states. The minister also said that the same issue has been raised with the concerned union leaders and that it will be curbed soon. Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Syam Kumar Thaunaujam inaugurated a rural market set built under Mission for Integrated Development of Horticulture scheme at Biso Khoide village, Senapati. The market set was built with a budget of rupees 13.75 lakh. As a part of his visit, he inspected the Panam Ningthau Garden, Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya School building and fruit orchard cum homestay, Haikol at Huikup, built under central funding. An active cadre of the proscribed outfit, RPF PLA identified as Chandam Tondon Singh alias Sinhaiba has been arrested by a team of Imphal East District Police Commando led by Officer in Charge Commando Imphal East Y. Saktisan under the supervision of DSP Commando K.S. Herozit at Koirangai this morning. Chandam Tondon, as the 29 years, son of late C.H. Siam Singh, is the resident of Sekmai Awang Leikai in Imphal West. He has been handed over to Haingang Police Station for further legal action. Meanwhile, a cadre of proscribed Kanglei Park Communist Party, KCP Noyon Group has been arrested by a combined team of Imphal East Commando and 5 J&K rifles at Kongpal, Nauribam Leikai under Porompat Police Station, Imphal East yesterday. The arrested person has been identified as Khatrimayung Chandrakumar Singh alias Tarang, aged 36 years, son of Khadramayum Modumangal Singh of Kongpal, Nauribam Lekai. According to police sources, he was recently involved in extortion of rupees 1,15,000 from a contractor. He has been handed over to Porampat police station for further legal action. In a tragic incident, a 6-year-old girl drowned in Thobal River today. The deceased has been identified as Hidam Doli, daughter of H. Inaw Tomba, as 29 years from Khoirom Makha Lekai. According to a report, Yairipok police, along with locals, found the drowned girl after a frantic search which lasted for half an hour. Later, officer in charge of Yairipok police, Shitaranjit, along with some locals, rushed her in a gypsy jeep to a community health center, Yairipok, where she was pronounced dead. The body of a man who drowned into Sitkui farm lake in Khugadam under Lamjang village of Churachandpur district yesterday was recovered by a rescue team this morning at around 11:30. According to sources, the deceased has been identified as 35-year-old Maisnam Robindro, son of M. Hajur of Bisnupur, Ward number 10. The tragic incident took place while Robindro, along with his friends, went for a picnic to Sitkui farm, where the picnickers boarded a motorboat and took a ride in the lake water. Reportedly, the deceased and one of his friends jumped into the water for a swim, following which Robindro got drowned. On learning about the incident, several locals from the surrounding area, along with family members of the deceased, chairperson of Bisnupur, L. Maniyaima, Deputy Commissioner of Churachandpur, Siamlal Punia, and a 12-member team of State Disaster Rescue Fund, SDRF, started a search operation which continued till late night to find him. The body was later handed over to Churachandpur District Hospital for post-mortem. An FIR has also been filed at Churachandpur Police Station regarding the incident. Once again, let's have a short break.
Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyang ki seba da leijari apamba service khanbiyu economic rate rupees 15 per kilometer, standard rate rupees 25 per kilometer, luxury rate rupees 55 per kilometer with base fare of rupees 40. Manipur ki district singi maru oina Senapati, Ukhrul, Churachandpur, Kakching, More, Chandela chingba sing Chatnanabagisu ataba mamalda book tawbiba yaragani. Manipur ki mapan ki lamsing haibadi Guwahati, Shillong, Dimapur, Silchar na chingba sing Chatnanabagisu book tawbiyu loinana luhongba amadi atopa thabak thorom ki damaktasu akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupa marol ki damak contact tawbiyu aikhoi gi contact number 1800102795 natraga 8794613154. Aikoigi website www.lamjingbacafe.com.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission tawbibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur ki mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. Diesel auto body servicing along Waiton Pangai Nagamapal repaired the road stretch at Manipur Police Training College under Khundrapam constituency to avoid further road mischief along the road. Arms down, pen down strike by All Manipur VDF Welfare Association Central Committee demanding service extension order of 16 districts continued unabated. Arms used by the VDF station at some districts have already been taken away by the police, sources said. The association said it thanks the police department's move. The All Manipur VDF Welfare Association Central Committee threatened that the 10,050 VDF personnel will leave their respective stations if the extension order is not released at the earliest. Local porters guided by a tribal hunter are said to help the Indian Air Force IAF retrieve the mortal remains of the 13 personnel on board each AN-32 transport aircraft that crashed on a remote mountainside in Arunachal Pradesh. The IAF had airdropped an 18-member rescue team comprising 13 personnel from the armed forces and 5 locals, including 2 mountaineers who have climbed average over 2 days near the site where the AN-32 had crashed on June 3. Inclement weather forced the IAF and the local administration to change their plan of airlifting the team of mountaineers, along with the remains of the IAF personnel and the recorders using Mi-17 helicopters. Now, let's have a look to some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Gekrupat comes alive to call off Great June Uprising Unity Day. Let center decide on leadership, says Biswasit. Myanmar army denies helping Indian government wipe out Northeast militants. The Morning Bell. No dissident group within BJP government, media putting political crisis in the wrong light, says Biswasit. Minister Biswasit Zentakumar returned home. Thousands paid tributes to June 18 martyrs at Gekrupat. Integrity still not safe as challenges from external forces continue, says Devan. Titular King expresses concern over political crisis in state. AN-32 crash, bodies yet to be retrieved. Inclement weather terrains hamper operations. Imphal Free Press. CM continues in chair but tussle unresolved. Central leaders to assess performance of ministers, says source close to party. Biswasit indecisive whether to accept stripped portfolios if restored. The 18th Great June Uprising Unity Day observed. Politicians need to set aside differences for state integrity. The People's Chronicle. Solutions should not affect Manipur boundary, says Devan. Nagas across state pray for early solution. Scam tag to overdraft made government laughing stock, says Biswasit. Manipur Mail. Rich tributes paid to martyrs. O.M. Birla said to be next Lok Sabha Speaker.
Before we wind up the news bulletin, the top stories once again. BJP's Northeast General Secretary Ajay Jamal arrives at Imphal. Chief Minister Biren returns home. Governor administers oath to 3 functionaries of Lok Ayukta, Manipur. And Conference Come International Buyer-Seller Meet 2019 kickstarts in Imphal. That's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more update. Thank you.